Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again, and today we're going to be unboxing one of these. No, it's not going to be just a regular PSP. Now this is the PSP 3000, but this guy has definitely seen its fair share of uses. You can tell by just the amount of scratches and everything over the years. I've absolutely loved the hell out of my PSP 3000, and I've gone through a lot of these over the years as well. I've had a couple videos on my channel talking about the PlayStation Portable and how much I love them, how much I've used them, and they've been pretty successful. Now, somebody over at Grid, G-R-I-D, reached out to me and he wanted to send me essentially a deconstructed original, not the 3000, the original 1000 series PlayStation Portable, but in a very cool and artistic frame so I can put it up on the wall and of course show it to you guys. I'm very excited to show you this, and I gotta admit, the package is a little bit too big for my camera setup. So it's gonna look kind of janky, but I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. I hope you guys don't mind. So you get to see a little bit more behind the scenes of my recording setup. So here we go. Okay, you can see my crotch a little bit and all the good stuff. Hopefully this will be enough space for what we need to see here. So I'm gonna move the PSP 3000 out of the way for now. We're gonna get my mouse out of here as well. And here we have the package. Again, it's a big boy, ginormous, but I do like that they made it absolutely sure that it's a fragile device. They made it really protected, which is good to see. I don't really know the best way to attack this. I'm gonna go from one end, I think, and just kind of cut down the seam. So here we go. Wish me luck on this. All right. Okay, so we got all the wrapping off of it, and now it looks like it's just a box that flips up with some tape on it. So let's see, where does it, here we go. This is where it flips up, so we're gonna cut the 3 pieces of tape. Just going down the line. There we are. All right, again, I hope I can get this all on camera. This can be kind of tricky, but try my best here. Oh my goodness. Look at that presentation. Woo! Also got whatever that is. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box. I don't necessarily know what the heck these are. Maybe it'll say Grid. It has been more than 14 years since the original iPhone was released, and in order to pay tribute to the iPhone and its creator Steve Jobs, we are giving you a chance to win a limited edition iPhone artwork. Please help support us by sharing our artwork with friends and family. Cool. So that is also you can scan the QR code. I don't know if that'll work, but you can go for a chance to win. But definitely check out Grid Studios, OCC. They have an iPhone version. They have a ton of different versions on the website. It's not just the PlayStation Portable. This is just the one I wanted. But yeah, they have a ton of different ones, from the original Game Boy to the iPad to the iPhone, you name it. There's a ton of them on there, which is super cool. So we're gonna put those to the side. Gosh, this is just gorgeous. I love this. I honestly don't want to break it open, but we got to get in there, don't we? So let's get the side. I think we're gonna go from the side here. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to break it. Sorry, Grid. You guys did an amazing job on the build quality though, on the presentation. And here we are. PlayStation Portable PSP 1000. Are you ready for the peel? I'm ready. Oh, it was so close to being perfect. That's all right. We got most of it out of there. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'll probably have to get those other piece of plastics off screen, because it's gonna take a little bit to open that up. That is so cool. So I'm gonna try to get some zoom ins and some B-roll shots of this so you guys can see a lot better. But wow, you can see they even labeled all the different pieces of it in case you were curious, or if it's somebody who's never seen a PlayStation Portable, they were to come in the room and they see this on the wall, they can easily see what all individual parts are, which is really cool. This is like the board to the traditional square, triangle, circle, X. We have the gears, optical drive, main motherboard here. Of course, we have the back plate, the iconic UMD drive window. And this looks like the circuit for the card slot, the XMD. I think it was XMD. I can't remember the exact name of it. But it was a really infamous proprietary memory slot that everybody hated, including myself. Headphone socket, circuit board, yep. Main board, like I said before, we got the little joystick, the little tiny joystick. Oh my god, it's so good. And then of course we have the main faceplate for the PSP 1000, the original L and R triggers, and then I got all the buttons in place there. I like the text up here. It's a nice touch for the PlayStation Portable. And then it does say Sony PSP 1000, which is in Sony's text, which is pretty cool. The frame itself is really high quality too. It's not like heavy, but it's nice and dense. It doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel warped or anything like that. It's a very high quality. And you can see that they do give you easy access to it as well. Some switches on the back, so if I have to go in there and clean it or whatever, I'm probably going to off camera before I hang it up on the wall. Very nice overall. This is like the kind of quality I would expect maybe from like the YouTube play button or something. So it's really awesome to see it from something like this. So I know this video wasn't very long. There's not a whole lot to go into and test and verify like I normally do in these kind of unboxing videos. But I was very excited to show you guys just what you get from one of Grid's art pieces here. These are art. So if you want to go check them out for yourself, I will have a link in the description below. I'm not affiliated with them, but I just wanted to showcase what they offer. And just to kind of show you guys a cool little thing that when I saw the email, I didn't believe it. I thought, I'm like, dude, you're going to send me a piece of art like to show on my channel? Of course. Yeah, this is amazing. And especially on the PSP, which if we put it next to its little brother, you can really see that they did change a lot with the PSP 3000. A lot slimmer. I do miss the grill though. I loved the grill that they had at the top for the speakers. I don't think they were real. I think they actually had the speaker holes down below, but I could be wrong on that. Yeah, the speaker holes are down here. So it's kind of funny that they had this like fake speaker grill, but I like the look of it. But otherwise, everything else is relatively the same. And then going to the back, I love the original drive door versus the newer one. I just like the thicker bezel, way cooler looking. And I love the matte black. I mean, the textured plastic matte black was just above and beyond better feeling in the hand than the glossy piano black we got later on. Never liked this. It's just too slippery. Yeah, not a good feeling in the hand. And then in the original, you also had these love handles. Oh man, the love handles. Those are so good for handling. I mean, it just... obviously, I'm making like a sexual innuendo joke here. But anyway, they definitely felt really way better in the hand than the newer versions. But obviously, this was lighter, had better display, and some other niceties, better battery life and all that stuff. So I would still probably recommend this one if you're looking for a PSP. But of course, if you're looking to hang one on the wall to show it off to all your friends and family, I would go with this bad boy here. So again, thank you so much to Grid for sending this to me, for making a video for you guys. Definitely check them out in the video description below. Leave a comment if there's anything you have any questions about or anything specific I maybe didn't get to in this video. And with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out. Hey guys, Nick here once again, and I just wanted to pop into the very end of the video to give a special shout out to my channel members. If you don't know what a channel member is, essentially these wonderful people are using their hard-earned money to help keep the channel alive. So that's why I want to give a huge shout out to these guys, because they're amazing. And if you want to become a member yourself, you can do it as easily just by clicking on the little join button below every single one of my uploads, or just by going to my channel. There is 4 different tiers depending on how much you would like to support each month, and you can join for as little as $2 a month. And trust me, even if it's $2, it helps a ton, and it adds up at the end of the month so that I can get more games for you guys to review or make retrospective videos on, or to buy new technology such as new computer parts, or really anything to keep the channel afloat and to make more content for you guys. So with that, I want to thank Kenneth Fellows, Hull Healers, Boltworks and Restoration, Wade Lady, Vinny Severman, and Thrasher to Black Stallion. You guys are all amazing, and thank you so much for all the wonderful support. This channel is just growing and growing every single day, and I can't wait to see where this channel leads us. So with that, have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Peace.